Okay, take next problem. Problem number 2, page number 19. The stresses at a point in a strained material are 100 Newton per mm square compressive and 60 Newton per mm square tensile shown in figure. Find out the stresses in plane AC. So they have provided the figure. This is biaxial stress system. In this biaxial stress system, the stresses are 100 compressive, 60 tensile, and they have provided one plane AC with angle 25 degree with AB, and we have to determine the stresses on plane AB. AB वरचे stresses शोधायचे आहेत. आता कुठले कुठले येणार? सिग्मा n, sigma t, and resultant. So we'll have to determine sigma n, sigma t, and r in this plane. Okay. So to solve this numerical, first I am going to take sigma 1. What is the sigma 1? Sigma 1 means major principal stress. मेजर म्हणजे ज्याची किंमत जास्त असते तो मेजर. जास्त किंमत कोणाची आहे? 60. 100 is compressive, so the major principal stress is 60. It is tensile, so positive. Then sigma 2, minor principal stress. Minor principal stress is minus 100 because it is compressive. Now check the angle. Check the angle with major principal plane. It is measured in anti-clockwise direction. So theta is equal to plus 25. Major principal plane बरोबर anti-clockwise ला किती measure केला आहे? 25. So theta is plus 25. Okay. Now use the formula and determine sigma n, sigma t, and resultant. First we will determine normal stress. Now what is the formula for normal stress? Sigma n is equal to sigma 1 plus sigma 2 divided by 2 plus sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2 into cos 2 theta. Sigma 1 60 minus 100 divided by 2 plus 60 minus minus plus 100 divided by 2. हे खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. Answer here when you are going to put minus 100, then minus minus will become plus into cos 2 theta. 2 into 25. Theta is 25. So 2 theta will be 50. If you solve, you will get sigma n 31.42 Newton per mm square. So this is your sigma n, normal stress. Now next, shear stress, that is tangential stress. Tangential stress. Sigma t is equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2 into sin 2 theta. Sigma 1 60 minus minus, this will become plus 100 divided by 2 into sin of 2 into 25. Theta is 25, so it will become 50. Sin 2 theta, sin 50. 61.28 Newton per mm square. So this is your tangential stress. So normal stress, tangential stress. Then the next stress is resultant. Resultant stress. R will be equal to root sigma n square plus sigma t square. Put the value of sigma n 31.42 plus 61.28 square. You will get R, resultant 68.86 Newton per mm square. So this is your resultant. Now the last answer is obliquity. Obliquity means angle of resultant with either sigma n or sigma t. I am going to consider with sigma t. So this angle is phi. So tan phi will be equal to sigma n by sigma t. So put the value of sigma n here, sigma t, take the inverse, tan inverse, you will get phi. Answer. Sigma n 31.42, 24.5 degree. So this is your phi, that is oblique t. So the answer of phi is 20.02. It is 27 degree. Okay. Now we are going to solve the same numerical by using Mohr's circle, graphical method. So in the Mohr's circle method, I am going to write the coordinates. सांगा पहिल्याचा कोऑर्डिनेट काय येणार 60, 0 sigma n, sigma t. Sigma n 60, sigma t is 0. Here minus 100, 0 sigma n, sigma t. Okay, normal and shear. Now I am going to plot here. For that I will take normal stress, means direct stress, and shear stress. Scale किती घेऊ सांगा. Scale 1 mm is equal to 2 Newton per mm square. तुम्ही म्हणणार 2 का घेतलं, मगाशी खूप छोटं झालेलं पण आता मोठं होणार आहे, बिकॉज 1 point will be on right side and 1 point will be on left side. त्यामुळे सर्कल खूप मोठं होईल. Okay, so I am going to plot the first point 60, 0. 60, 0 म्हणजे इथनं किती वेळ लागणार मला 30. Okay, so this is the 60, 0 A point. This is the O. Now I am going to plot the second point 100, 0 minus 100. So 100, 0 minus. Okay, this is your B point. लक्ष द्या रे, चुकणार तुम्ही आता. Now here we will have to take the center of A and B, and that will be your center of Mohr's circle. So I am going to mark the center of AB. So this is point P. Okay, this is your B and this point is A, and this P point is nothing but Mohr's circle center. Okay, and this O is coordinate center. समजलं? All the answers we are going to measure from O. Okay, so this is the Mohr's circle. Draw करून घ्या. Okay, now we are going to plot the angle. See, we want normal and shear stress in the plane 25 degree with major principal plane in anti-clockwise direction. We are going to plot a double angle. So our angle will be 25 into 2 will be 50. So I am going to plot 50 double angle in anti-clockwise direction with major principal plane. So A is major. So with this I am going to plot in anti-clockwise direction and angle will be 50. Mark this point as S. Its x coordinate is sigma n and y coordinate is sigma t. लक्ष द्या, घोळ करचीला मोजताना लक्ष द्या. Sigma n and sigma t. See, I am going to mark this point. So this distance is your sigma n. We have to measure distance from O, sigma n, and sigma t, this vertical distance will be your sigma t. This vertical distance will be your sigma t. Now tell me the answer. Sigma n equal to P पासून मोजशीला, मला पाहिजे O पासून. 2.2 सेंटीमीटर. एकदा चेक करा आणि व्यवस्थित सांगा. हां, ज्यांनी 1:2 स्केल घेतले त्यांनी आन्सर सांगा मला. 1:2 घेतलं यांनी. 1.6 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 16 mm. 16 mm. So 16 mm into scale. 16 into 2 Newton per mm square. So it will be 32 Newton per mm square. Now sigma t equal to sigma t 3 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 30 mm. हे विसरायचं नाही आणि उत्तर चुकणार. 30 mm is equal to 30 into scale Newton per mm square. So it will be 60 Newton per mm square. Now check the answer. See, sigma n is 31.42 means almost 32. So answer is 32. Now sigma t is 60. Yes, it is 61. Okay, so sigma n, sigma t मिळाला. Now next is r. लक्ष द्या, चुकणार आहे तुम्ही. r resultant. R will be equal to काय असणार R? OS. So join O with S and this will be your R. So R is equal to OS equal to OS. Join OS. 3.4 centimeter means 34 mm. So 34 into scale 2 Newton per mm square. So it will be 68 Newton per mm square and this is your R. 68. Okay. Now the last one, obliquity phi. Here we are going to measure angle with sigma t. So we have measured with sigma t. So angle between R and sigma t means vertical line. This angle should be phi. R and sigma t. (26 degree). Now check this angle. 27. Okay, 26. Because of the graphical method, possibility of small error may be there with analytical and graphical. Answer मध्ये काहीतरी small error असणार because of the graphical method, manual error. Okay, and this is the answer.